Hello world. I know you cannot see me right now. My camera's acting up. But I created a new song called Watermelon with a Fried Chicken. I'm gonna play it for you. Watermelon, watermelon. I really want me some watermelon. Watermelon with some fried chicken. I'm gonna eat me some Kool-Aid on the side. Please don't forget the fried chicken. I really want the fried chicken with some watermelon. With some watermelon. You already know. I'm gonna have me some beans on the side, some steak, and you don't even know it. I'm gonna have my rice and beans, my hot dogs, my steaks, my burgers. You don't even know it. You don't even know it. You don't even know it. About to give me some Bojangles with some biscuits, with some gravy on 'em. 'Cause I love me some fried chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken. Oh, I love me some fried chicken with some watermelon. Watermelon with some fried chicken. Oh, I love me some watermelon. Sip it up, drink it up with some Kool-Aid. Fruit punch, berry. You already know. Watermelon, purple, orange. You don't even know. You don't even know. With some Gatorade. With some Gatorade. After I finish eating my KFC, my Bojangles. Sorry, I forgot that part. I'm about to go ahead to the mall. Give me some new J's. Give me some new J's. And after I give me some new J's, I'm going to try them on. I'm going to try them on to see if they fit. Because you got to have J's to see if they fit. But then after that, I'm going to call up my homeboys, call up my homegirls. You already know, though. I'm about to call up every single body. Yes? Call up every single body. And I'm going to say, if you want to play some basketball, I'm going to be in the NBA. And play some basketball. And after wiki that, then I'm going to get me some more fried chicken. Fried chicken. With some watermelon. Some macaroni time. I'm about to give me some macaroni. Some watermelon. I'm gonna go up to Harris Teeter or Food Lion. Whichever one cheaper. I'm gonna give me some ramen noodles. Shrimp and chicken. Ramen noodles. God, yes, and I'm gonna give me some Kool-Aid. And you already know. Kool-Aid and ramen noodles. I'm about to give me that 10-piece bucket at KFC when I'm heading home. You already know. I'm gonna get my 10, I'm gonna get my 5 biscuits and my macaroni time. And while I'm in the process, I better not get nothing on my new J's. 'Cause you don't know me. I just paid 150 for my homies. Just kidding, I'm broke though. After I finish spending $200 on my fried